Well, hello, fellow travelers. I'm just doing a quick critique of the Princeton shed we bought from Home Depot. I like Home Depot, and if I had it to do over again, I think I would just buy the material. I bought this kit, and it has its good points. It came as a bundle. It fit into the back of a pickup. It was pretty well organized when we got it. Right now in the video, this is before we painted it, and I'm just walking around the outside of the building, giving you a quick tour. One thing about this building is it says it comes with a foundation, which is it's just pressure treated 2x4s, but they're not really pressure treated. What they are just 2x4s, and then they want you to buy decking and put decking on top of it. That just was not stout enough, so I went and purchased 2x6 treated wood, 5/8 decking. I wished I had gotten a 3/4 inch decking. And we painted the floor with some cement paint or patio paint. You can see it there. Notice the framing, that it's 2x3s, which are actually 1.5 by 2.5. You can see daylight there. I took some spray foam and insulated that, got up underneath there. We have had some leaking. Also, you'll notice I'm pointing out here, it came with 4 trusses, and we built 2 more. This thing was so rickety, I didn't dare get up there, and I'm a fat man, so I wasn't getting up there. I had some of my employees get up there and roof it. But you'll see here, that's the bottom plate. They just laminated 2 pieces of OSB together to make the bottom plate. I went and got some 2x4s, and we put that together. I had to reinforce some spots with 2x4s. Like I said, this thing was so rickety. I felt like it would fall down in a big wind. But we put ice and water shield across the whole roof, and seems to work. Now you're seeing it after we painted it. I have an HOA, and they require the shed to be the same colors as the house, so we went and did that. I don't know if it's an exact match, but we took some paint that we had left over from our house and took it to Home Depot, and they matched it. And I could care less whether we went to Home Depot or Lowe's, but I think Home Depot's just a little better store. Anyway, this is a quick review of the Princeton shed from Home Depot. Hope you liked it. Hope you found it informative. If you have any questions, leave them for me. This has allowed us to empty out the garage, and I can use it for my wood shop. Anyway, talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.